In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card and a credit card to your Apple Wallet in 2025. If you've recently acquired a Visa gift card or a new credit card and you're wondering how to get it into your Apple Wallet, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and really convenient, especially for those of us who are always on the go and looking to simplify our lives with the use of digital tools. First things first, we need to open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You can find it on your home screen. It's a little icon that looks like a stack of cards. This app is the hub for all your digital payments, and it's where you'll manage your cards. Once you have the Wallet app open, you'll notice the option to add cards. This is typically at the top right corner of the screen, marked by a plus sign, or it might be labeled as Add Card. Now go ahead and tap on Add Card. This part is exciting because it allows you to integrate new cards into your digital wallet. You'll be given several card options, such as adding debit or credit cards. Here, select the debit or credit card option. Once you're on this screen, your phone will activate its camera so that you can scan your card. The scanning process is one of the quickest and most efficient ways to input your card information without the need for typing. Just hold your card in the frame of your camera. Following the prompts provided on your screen, ensure your card details, such as the card number, are clearly visible, and your phone will automatically capture the information. If you prefer, you can enter the details manually by selecting the input option that allows you to type in the card number, expiration date, and security code. After capturing the card details, either through scanning or manual entry, you'll need to verify the card with your bank. This process may vary depending on your bank's security measures. You might be asked to complete this verification step via phone call, text message, or by accessing your online banking app. Once your card has been successfully verified, it will appear in your Apple Wallet ready for use. That's it. Your card has now been added and is ready to be used for purchases in stores, apps, or online. You'll see it displayed alongside any other cards you've already added. With that, you've just enhanced your wallet's capabilities, making transactions a lot more seamless and organized. Having your cards in Apple Wallet not only saves time but also adds an extra layer of security by reducing the physical cards you carry. Enjoy the ease of tapping and paying with your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.